following central idea?
Power comes with responsibility.
The scope of the central idea was addressed through the following lines of inquiry.
There are different forms of government. The responsibility of citizens and government.
How the South African government works.
Student agency allows us to ask many questions.
We wanted to know how and why a person can become a dictator.
We were so curious that our teacher said, let's do some investigation.
Speaking of dictators, I have learned that dictators come into power when people experience hard times. Now I know that if there's a hard time in South Africa, I must be on the lookout for the dictator.
We use different approaches to learning. The sharing of information to create collaborative samples was very meaningful.
I obtained knowledge by listening to informative talks by my friends. The informative talks improved our presentation skills.
I could not wait to start reading it because I wanted to become more knowledgeable.
And did you become more knowledgeable?
Yes, I now know about separation of powers and ceremonial monarchies, types of democracy,
The branches of government.
The responsibilities of government and citizens.
You have convinced me. I am